What if your body was never truly aging, but simply forgetting how to repair itself? In a remote place, far from the noise of modern science, there existed a quiet ritual, practiced not for strength nor for beauty, but for alignment. A 7-minute routine passed down through generations of healers who believe that time does not decay the body. Imbalance does. Modern researchers measure aging in telomeres, oxidative stress, and cellular decay. Yet, there are rare cases, individuals whose biological markers defy their chronological age. Scientists observe, document, and debate, but cannot fully explain why certain bodies seem to resist time's erosion. The ancient practitioners never spoke of molecules or genes. They spoke of flow, of energy pathways that, when obstructed, accelerate decline, and when restored, awaken something dormant within us. This video will take you into that forgotten intersection where ancient body wisdom meets modern curiosity. You will not only understand the principles behind this enigmatic 7-minute routine, but also learn how to practice it yourself, step by step. Not as a miracle, not as a shortcut, but as a recalibration, because perhaps the real question is not how to stop aging, but how to remember what your body has always known, long before laboratories. Measuring biological age, ancient healing traditions were already mapping the body in ways that modern science is only beginning to revisit. Systems like traditional Chinese medicine and early yogic sciences described invisible channels, pathways through which life force, or vital energy, flows. When this flow is disrupted, decline begins. When restored, the body reorganizes itself. Contemporary research now echoes fragments of this idea. Studies on breathwork, nervous system regulation, and cellular repair show that short, intentional practices can influence inflammation, hormone balance, and even gene expression. Experts in integrative medicine have observed that consistent, low-duration routines, especially those involving breath, posture, and focused attention, can activate the body's repair mechanisms more efficiently than sporadic, intense effort. This is why the 7-minute routine matters. It is not about intensity, but precision. Not about doing more, but doing what aligns the body back into coherence. In a world obsessed with external solutions, this practice points inward toward a system that may already know how to restore itself, if only given the right signal. This routine is not performed with force. It is entered like stepping into still water. Each movement is deliberate, each breath a signal. 7 minutes, no more, no less. Minute 1, grounding the system. Stand upright, feet shoulder width apart. Slightly bend your knees, let your arms hang naturally. Close your eyes, breathe slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 2, exhale for 6. Imagine your weight sinking downward, as if the earth is gently pulling you into balance. This is not relaxation, it is recalibration. You are telling your nervous system you are safe enough to repair. Minute 2, awakening the spine. Begin to roll your shoulders slowly backward, then forward. Let your spine follow, subtle waves, not rigid movement. The spine is often described as the body's main river. When it stiffens, everything downstream suffers. Keep your breath steady, no rush. Minute 3, breath and expansion. Place one hand on your chest, the other on your abdomen. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly first, then the chest. Exhale slowly, reversing the flow. This layered breathing activates deeper lung capacity and signals cellular oxygen exchange. Many people breathe shallowly without realizing it. This corrects that silent habit. Minute 4, gentle compression and release. Raise your arms overhead slowly. Stretch upward, not forcefully, but with intention. Then fold forward, letting your head and arms hang. Move between these two positions with your breath. Compression and release act like a pump, assisting circulation and lymphatic flow. Minute 5, energy circulation movement. Rub your palms together until warm. Place them lightly over your face, then your chest, then your lower abdomen. Move slowly, as if guiding warmth through your body. This may seem simple, but touch combined with intention can influence how the brain maps the body internally. Minute 6. Stillness with awareness. Return to standing, eyes closed. Do nothing except observe. Feel your heartbeat, your breath, the subtle tingling in your hands or feet. This is where most people struggle. The mind resists stillness, but this moment allows integration, the body organizing the signals you've just given it. Minute 7. Closing the loop. Take one final deep breath. As you exhale, gently straighten your posture and open your eyes. Do not rush away. Stand for a few seconds. Let the routine settle into you. Common challenges and adjustments. Some will feel nothing at first. That is expected. Sensitivity develops with repetition. Others may feel restless or impatient. This often indicates an overactive stress response. Continue gently. If dizziness occurs, reduce the depth of breathing and slow down. This is not about perfection, it is about consistency. 7 minutes each day is enough to send a repeated message to the body. Return, restore, remember. When practiced consistently, this 7-minute routine does not reverse aging in the way most people imagine. It does something more subtle and arguably more powerful. It shifts the body from a state of silent tension into a state of intelligent repair. Think of the body as a vast city. Over time, stress, poor breathing, and constant stimulation begin to shut down its maintenance systems. Roads crack, signals misfire, waste accumulates. Not because the city is old, but because its repair crews have stopped working efficiently. This routine acts like turning the lights back on in that city. The slow breathing patterns regulate the nervous system, moving it away from chronic alertness, the state where the body prioritizes survival over restoration. In this calmer state, processes like cellular repair, hormone balance, and tissue recovery begin to re-emerge. The gentle movements of the spine and limbs improve circulation, not just of blood, but of subtle internal signals. Nutrients reach where they are needed. Waste is cleared more effectively. The body becomes less stagnant, more responsive. And then there is stillness, the most overlooked element. In stillness, the body recalibrates its internal rhythms. Heart rate, breath, and neural activity begin to synchronize. This coherence is where efficiency returns. Over time, the visible effects follow the invisible ones. Skin appears more vibrant. Energy becomes more stable. Recovery feels faster. Not because time has been reversed, but because resistance has been reduced. Yet, there is a nuance rarely discussed. Not everyone who performs this routine will experience the same depth of change. And the reason is not in the movements, but in the quality of attention brought into them. The body does not respond only to action. It responds to awareness. 2 individuals can perform the exact same 7-minute sequence. One treats it as a checklist, mechanical, distracted. The other enters it with quiet attention, sensing each breath, each shift of weight, each subtle internal response. Outwardly identical. Internally, entirely different outcome. Why? Because attention shapes physiology. Modern neuroscience suggests that focused awareness can influence neural pathways, amplify body signals, and even alter how the brain communicates with the immune and endocrine systems. What ancient traditions called energy may in part reflect this deeply integrated communication network. There is also a paradox. The more you chase results, youthful skin, more energy, visible change, the less effective the routine becomes. Subtle systems withdraw under pressure. The body does not open through force, it opens through permission. So the hidden layer of this practice is not just movement or breath, it is relationship. A quiet dialogue between you and a body that has been waiting, not for intensity, but for attention. This 7-minute routine is not a secret weapon against time. It is a quiet return to alignment. Through breath, movement, and stillness, you reactivate systems that were never lost, only neglected. The change may begin subtly, but over days, then weeks, the body responds, not by becoming younger, but by becoming more efficient, more awake. So the question remains, will you treat your body as something to fight against, or something to listen to? Begin with 7 minutes and observe what begins to return.